Some healthcare professionals emphasize the importance of regular exercise for older adults. However, many seniors struggle to maintain an adequate level of physical activity. What are the reasons for this, and how can we encourage older individuals to exercise regularly?
The importance of regular exercise for older adults is well documented, as it contributes significantly to physical health and mental well-being. However, many elderly individuals struggle to engage in sufficient physical activity. This essay will explore the reasons behind this phenomenon and suggest ways to encourage regular exercise among seniors. One primary reason older adults may not get enough exercise is physical limitations. Conditions such as arthritis, osteoporosis, or cardiovascular issues can make movement painful or challenging. Additionally, some seniors may experience a lack of motivation or confidence, feeling that they are too frail to engage in exercise. This psychological barrier can deter them from participating in physical activities, even those suitable for their age. To encourage regular exercise among older adults, communities and healthcare providers can implement several strategies. First, creating age-friendly environments with accessible parks and walking paths can facilitate physical activity. Group classes tailored to seniors, such as yoga or Tai Chi, can foster social interaction while promoting fitness. Moreover, educating older adults about the benefits of exercise such as improved mobility, mood enhancement, and reduced risk of chronic diseases can motivate them to participate. In conclusion, while various factors may hinder older adults from exercising regularly, targeted efforts can make a significant difference. By addressing physical limitations and enhancing motivation through community support and education, we can help seniors lead healthier, more active lives. Regular exercise not only benefits their physical health but also improves their overall quality of life.
Thank you for watching. Please give us like, share, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos. Bye.